Good day, everyone. My name is Chichi Chilolo. Kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. And for those of you who don't subscribe to my YouTube channel, gracias. Today's topic and today advice is for that fake pastor. If you know that fake pastor where you feel say this man no pure, send am this video, you go help am. If you know that woman of God where you know say now all these small boys for church she dey lash, send am this video. If you know that reverend father wey be say all the married women wey dey for church they don born for am finish, all the single girls wey dey for church don comot belle tire, send am this video. I dey ask you fake pastor wetin dey sup? I dey ask you wetin dey sup? na more say you go use God name to dey operate, you go seek power for where you seek power from, dey use God name dey take cover. You know why una dem dey expose una? Because God dey vex. The name wey una dey call, that im name alone go dey expose una. The best advice now wey I dey give you be say use that name wey you go seek that power from, wey you go collect that power, wey you take be Okugan, wey you take be Jesus on earth, take am dey operate. No use God name again because e pass your great grandfather, e pass your generation to come sef. You no dey fear, you no dey fear the day wey you go close eye, wey you dey see anything, wetin you go face. You no dey think of all those things. Say if even though you close eye finish go, wetin your children go dey suffer for. You use your hand dey buy coat, dey use God name dey operate, dey do anyhow. All the whole girls wey dey for church, you don give them belle, you don mark register, they don comot belle for you tire. If you enter some churches, their pulpit dem bury virgin there, some bury cow, some bury their wife, their mama, their brothers dem, their pikin dem. Wetin dey sup? I dey ask you. Na more say you go dey use God name to dey operate. No dey look me like that, no dey say where she come out from. Abi she from all these marine people world dem wey wan come dey condemn churches. I no dey condemn churches, I be true Christian, as in confirm Christian. You wey you know say you be Christian and you put something under dey take do something, God say make I tell you say time don reach for you to be exposed. Enough is enough. Wetin dey sup now? Wetin dey play? Why una dey use God name dey toy anyhow? The name wey be say if sent person wey know say him dey serve God mention sef, devil go flee, demonic go take off. You no go even see their brake light. Now una dey take am dey toy anyhow, dey operate because of wetin una wan chop. Na more say you go use him name. That native doctor place wey you go collect power, take him name dey take open church. No use this one ministry of God, that one ministry of God. Just use Baba Ojenamo, Baba Otomopo, Baba this one. Just use and they do this, they open am. Some dem go tie juju for waist, some pastors dem. The other day I see for Facebook, pastor wey kill him brother, still bury something for him house. I see the video, I see they preach wey wear kokosa, wey wear agbada, they preach. Go think say God dey use am. No say na demonic dey use am. Wetin dey sup? Na more say una go dey use God name dey take operate. You be gay, you dey do pastor, all the whole young boy for church you don lash them finish. Wetin dey play now? Even where una go seek power for no dey happy with una. Now why the power no dey even answer again? Because una go seek power from them, they use God name, they involve them, they join them and God together. God dey fight them. You go see pastors pikin dem, they no get head. You go think say na prayer wey their papa dey cast and bind. This na lie. Na where they don put hand. Before, if you go church, you go dey happy say you go church. Now if you go church, threaten go kill you. Pastor go wan kill you. If dem dey do things for church, then they look face. If you no get money, you go hide your face for church. If you no get money, you no be full member because you no dey contribute to anything. Wetin dey happen? We una carry God name dey do anyhow. Una no dey fear. God say make I tell una say in one reason una matter. From now till next year, more pastor will be exposed. You no comot reverend father. I dey tell you, no comot reverend father dem. Una own too much. Una dey give woman belle anyhow. Some pastors get 3 wife, 4 wife, 6 wife. Wetin dey play na wetin dey happen, only you sabi do. Why you no kukuma turn to native doctor, put your church native church, people go dey come. So far say you dey do miracle, I dey advise you now before it's too late. People go dey come. anyhow wey you do am, put native dis things. So far say na native, e no consign dem o, dem go come there. No dey use God name, no dey involve God name for this matter, because e pass you. E name alone pass you. You don wait, God don wait make you repent, you no gree repent. Now e don come for you. No run o, because na wetin you find you see. Na market wey you price dem dey sell for you. God wan sell am for you now. Wetin dey sup now? 6 people deliver one woman. The other ones wey call am, wey dey deliver her, no deliver her well. Na the last one deliver her. Na that one God sent angel on earth, Jesus on earth. Make una just take am easy o. Una own don too much now. You no go fit go church now balance well. If you no get better cloth, you no go go church. If you no put better makeup for face, you no go go church. Because church these days na threaty. Dem go carry you like this, comot your leg. You carry better car come church, the pastor go dey threaten you, say make you take am sow seed. If you know say that car hungry, you comot pastor level, put for ground, go hustle as your fellow man dey hustle. No be when person suffer finish, carry am come, you go say na wetin hungry you go die there. You go church like dem go tell you sow seed, you wey never chop. Then they call big money for you, make you take sow seed, make you take raise altar up, make you take build church. Wetin happen wey you never chop? No be only seed. I go even plant sef. The best advice for church goers these days now, you know say for your heart you pure. You no be like those fake pastors dem. Just dey your house. If you go church finish, say you go church finish, you come back, dey your house. Nowhere where you call God where you know the answer. Yes, I dey tell you confirm. Just dey your house, call on that God as you know how to call am. He go answer you, my brother. You wan go church, go sit down, make some demon come dey tap your lock, then finish. You dey find fruit of womb, you go church, pastor go help you, he go even give you belle. You know those pastors dem, those fake pastors dem, pussy lickers dem, pussy devourers dem, where they lick like dog, do mouth like they lick pussy. Send am this video. Breast sucker, wey go hold breast like this, e go mental. Send am this video. Pussy, send am. Na for him. And you know that woman wey be woman of God, wey be saw the whole fine boys for church, you dey lash them, give am this video. You no dey shame mama. You dey claim say na God call you. All the whole young boys for church dem, you don call them finish. No use God name dey play o. No use God name dey play o. You no be your mate o. E dey warn you now. No use the name dey play again. You no be your mate. That brother wey be gay, all the whole boys for church, their nyash, you don lash and finish. Be careful o. Be careful. Enough is enough. Enough is enough. Na message wey I get for you. Remain blessed.